You walk into a meeting a little unprepared, and suddenly someone asks, "Can you share your thoughts?" Your heart speeds up because you know this moment can go one of two ways. You show up as clear and grounded, or you drift into uncertain and scattered. And I've been in that moment so many times myself. That's why I put together this video and a guide you can download to help you handle those situations with calm confidence. If you want a copy, you can download it right below. Let's get into 3 simple tools that help people actually listen to you. Start with why it matters to them. People don't listen out of politeness. They listen when something feels relevant. They're not uninterested, they're impatient. So before you walk them through the details, start with why your point matters in the first place. This sets the agenda and their attention follows. For example, I know time is tight, but this affects both your results and our workload, so I want to put it on the table. It's short, it's clear, and it gives people a reason to stay with you. Number 2, give your message a shape so it sticks. You can say smart things and still sound confusing. That's not a you issue, it's a structure issue. My favorite tool is the S.T.A.R model. Situation, turning point, action, and result. It's simple, easy to remember, and it works whether you're talking to your team, your boss, or a client. For example, we had a client who suddenly backs out. That's the situation. We had to rethink quickly, the turning point. We spent the weekend building a new solution. That's action. And today, they're not your biggest account. Result. It's clean, it's tight, and people follow every word. Number 3, let your body match your message. You can have the best point in the room, but if your body says, "Sorry for taking up space," people pick up on that. Your body language doesn't need to be big, just honest and intentional. Try this. Hold eye contact for 3 seconds at a time. Use your hands to support your message. Instead of shrinking it, stand as if what you're saying matters. Because it actually does. Say, "This is important," then show it with your hands, slightly down and centered. It signals calm authority without overpowering anyone. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room. You don't need to have perfect English. You don't even need to prepare a big speech. With a clear why, a simple structure, and body language that supports you, people will listen. And if you want a little extra help, I've put together a guide with examples and practice prompts. The link is below. See you in the next video.